In this video, I'm going to show you how to see your date of birth in Gmail account. To see your date of birth, what you do is to tap on the Gmail application like this. Now here, what you do now is to tap on your profile here on the top section here. Now what you do now is to tap on manage your Google account here. Tap on it. It will bring you here. Now here, what you do now is to tap on personal information here. Now here you can see date of birth. Now here you can tap on it to view it more, to zoom it. Now here you can see your date of birth. Here you can edit it by tapping on it like this and edit it how you like. You can see here you can edit the month, you can edit the day, you can edit the year. You can see it. Now after editing it, what you do is to click on this save here to save it here, to save it. Now here, make sure it's only you to avoid security issue. So if you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon for more helpful tech tutorial. And if you have any question, leave it at the comment section. I will do so to reply you. Now see you on the next video. Peace.